Yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Girl, you pushed me like a big boy till I cuffed you like you did something. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta wait for it. Things are getting sticky, girl, I think that I'm stuck. I'll admit I'm wrong, but I know that you gon' come for me. Yeah.
Welcome back to my channel. So we are on to palette number 4. That's 8, but palette number 4. So we are on the last video of this series. Thank God. I have an entire playlist of the whole Jaclyn Hill Vault collection, so definitely go check that out. It will be in the eye. Click on the little eye and it will play all the rest of the video. Also, don't forget that we are doing the post notifications shout outs at the end of this video. So subscribe to my channel and comment done in the comment box below so I know that you subscribe and follow directions. And you could possibly be shouted out at the end of this video. So today we are going to be reviewing the Armed and Gorgeous palette. Nice, like, warm colors. This is like an everyday palette, just like the Ring the Alarm palette. Y'all know with every video I do swatches, so that's what we're gonna do. So these are the shimmer shades. VIP is the top one, Coin is the middle one, and Guilt Trip is the last one. So these are the shimmer swatches. Like I say in every video, they are buttery and creamy, and they're very pigmented. So these are some of the matte shades. So we have Proud, Top Secret, and Secure. Now some of the matte shades kind of look a little chalky, like Secure. If you look in this palette, then you look in this palette, she has a lot of orange shades. This is the Ring the Alarm palette and this is Armed and Gorgeous. She has a lot of orangey tones that kind of look the same, but I'm sure they have different undertones. We're gonna pray about it. Y'all always know we gotta pray about it. This palette, these two greens look exactly the same. Like, exactly the same. Let's swatch it. So I just put it under it. So this is the this is the Armed and Gorgeous, and this is the Dark Magic. They look identical, literally identical. One might be just a tad bit darker, but they kind of look the same. I personally don't have a problem with it because I wanted to buy this palette, but if you have a problem with duplication of eyeshadows, just stick to your favorite go-to palette from the collection. You'll be good to go. I already have my eyelids primed and they're ready to go. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is Access, and we're going to take Access. This is like a mustard yellow color, and we're going to use this as a transition shade. And I'm taking this on my NYX professional makeup brush in number 16. So this yellow takes a minute to pick up the pigment on my skin tone. I'm sure if you're of like a lighter skin tone, this will show up, or even like a super dark skin tone, but then it might look ashy. So we're really going in with this color. We're gonna go in with Agent, this shade right here. This is a orangey yellow orange, and we're gonna put that right in the crease, and we're using the same brush. Ooh, I like this color. This is more like a burnt orange when it goes onto the eye. So the next color I'm going in with is Secure, and we're gonna see if it can deepen up the agent that we put on. And I'm using my Morphe R39 brush. It actually made the color more vibrant, this color Secure, and I'm not mad at it. I'm not. So on the same brush, I'm going to take Smooth Criminal, this shade right here, and we're going to put that on the outer corner. I just carved out my lid. So the next shade I'm gonna go in with is Guilt Trip, and we're gonna keep this on the closer to the inner part of the eye. I'm taking this on the Wet n Wild smudger brush. I'm gonna switch brushes, and I'm gonna go in. This is the Wet n Wild large eyeshadow brush. Yeah, because the other brush wasn't picking up the pigment. Now I'm going to take Coin, and this is like a yellow, like, it looks like trophy wife, so it has kind of like that green undertone, and we're gonna put that on the center of the lid. So it's already bright, but I'm just gonna spray my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus. We're gonna dip back into that pigment. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with Prowl, this dark brown shade, and we're gonna use this as a liner. And I'm taking this on my MAC 212 brush. Okay, so I did my face off camera. I also applied eyeliner as well to the top. So now we're going to work on the bottom lash line. So I actually wanted to go in with Top Secret and use that as my under eye color. So we're going to see how that looks. And I'm taking this on the Precision Blending brush. Okay, so I'm actually going to take this on my Morphe R43 brush. I believe this is what it is. The name is like half gone, so because I want this color to be vibrant. So for blush, I'm going to take Agent, and we're going to see how that looks first. If it doesn't look good, we're going to change it. Okay, so this is it for the look. I'm going to come back with my final thoughts after I do my highlight, put my lashes on, and put a lip on. So I'll be right back. Alright everyone, so this is the finished look. So for highlight, I went in with the Smolder Cosmetics Loose Glam Dust, and this is in Gold Digger. And then for lips, girl. For the outline of my lips, I went in with the NYX lip pencil. This is the Suede Matte Lip Pencil, and this is in Downtown Beauty. And then I also, to fill the lips, I filled it in with London, the Suede Matte Pencil in London. And then I just went over it with a gloss, because I'm feeling the gloss movement, okay? And then for lashes, y'all know I get my lashes from AliExpress. I'll leave the link in the description box below so y'all can go check it out and get you a pair of these mink lashes. They're only $2.39, $2.39, girl. You better stop paying, or you better stop paying that money for them expensive lashes, because honey, the pockets are thin over here. They're thin. So I also popped in my Ouplent lenses. These are in the Jade Blends. So the color is Jade. They're in the Blends collection. I do have a discount code with Ouplent Lenses. I'll leave it right here. Definitely go check them out if you want some lenses for this Halloween as well. They are so comfortable. I have a review on it. So go through my videos and find the review for these particular lenses. Special shout out to Ouplent Lenses for wanting to give y'all some lenses for the giveaway. So the two winners that win will be getting a pair of their Blends collection lenses. So shout out to Ouplent Lenses. So with this palette is good for like your go-to makeup situation. Like the colors are super pretty, like warm colors, kind of like the Ring the Alarm palette. So it's really like nothing special about this palette. I would definitely dip back into this particular palette if I wanted like a more go-to realistic type of makeup look. However, my favorite palette out of the entire collection is the Dark Magic palette. That palette is something, honey, like something different. But I do love this palette. The colors are nice. Like I say in my last videos, they're buttery, they're blendable. I have no issues with the colors. They're vibrant. They look good on my skin tone, so no complaint. Now let's get into this post notification shout out. So the post notification shout out for this video goes to, drum roll please, this person right here. So congratulations to you. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and being a part of the B.O.M Squad. Welcome. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and join the B.O.M Squad. You will not be disappointed. We are the realest crew on the internet. Okay. Don't forget to hit that bell icon notification so you can get notified every time I upload a video. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.